how to change TikTok region or location. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to modify or change the location. So first things first, click on your profile over here on the bottom right, click on the hamburger icon and click on settings and privacy. Over here, navigate to the privacy section over here under the account, and over here you have the location services. Make sure that you are using the never option over here. Ensure that your permission settings is under never, and you're going to delete your certain location data over here. Delete this. And now what you're going to do is you could utilize a VPN or change your mobile phone's region into whatever region or location that you prefer. After doing that, you could then turn on the location settings over here, which will of course get the data from your VPN or the application you're using to change your location. And through that, you will be able to change your TikTok region in your TikTok application. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.